marker on that particular storm, a new fix on what might be a bit of a couplet there. It would feed along the parkway. We had another one down here, but it looks like there may be a couplet right there to the west-northwest of Greenville. And using the various different radars we have available here, this is the Louisville Fort Knox X-ray site, and